3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to Epic Fun Time.
Alright, so today guys, we have got a really big surprise. This is a toy that you've never seen before, and it's not out yet in the UK, and we reckon it's going to be the must-have toy this Christmas. You ready?
Yes. Yeah.
It's called a Go Bird. This is a bird that flies autonomously, so basically it can fly on its own. It has object avoidance technology, so if it flies towards something it'll stop. So this is the bird here. Okay, so what comes in the box is you get a bird, you get your bubble wrap, you get your batteries, so you get 2 batteries with it, and you get a USB that charges them and it just plugs straight into the bag, like so. So guys, we have a wee note here. It says, "Thanks, we hope you enjoy your purchase. Thanks for being a valued customer. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Go Bird, yours to explore the skies." So this toy can fly for about 15-20 minutes.
Wait, I think I know why it stopped when something, because I think this is a camera thing.
That's right. If we'll just show this to the camera, it has a wee infrared sensor at the front. So it'll fly up to something, it'll not like it, and fly away. This is a kid-friendly toy that flies, so there's no injury. These wings flap up and down. You can fly for 15 minutes. It takes 20 minutes to charge the battery. Do loop-the-loops. You can do figure of 8s. You can fly on its own, so it can be free and you just fly it. It tells you not to fly it in high winds. And I think it's about 15-20 meters altitude it can go, which is pretty high. Because they're selling this as an easy toy for kids to use. So, all right, will we try it out?
Yes. Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, so we're in Ireland here in the middle of a field, and we're going to test out this Go Bird. Oh. So we've came the whole way out into the field, and we forgot to get batteries for this. We will have to come back. Now we have resorted to manual flying. Okay, so Jackson has his plane. So at the moment, we had to rebalance it with a bit of blue tack that was pulling to one side. Also, it had a crack in the wing. So 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yes, I like it. It's going far. Oh, it's still going. Ah. Okay, we can see it the whole way down here. Okay, let's do a speed clip of Jackson running to get his plane. That was pretty far, Jackson.
Yes.
Whew, high five. We're going to try and get this Go Bird flying. Okay, Mommy, I'm going to hand over to you.
You think it's cold and because of our jumpers, but it's actually warm.
It's actually very warm. The battery goes in here like so.
It's bum.
No, it's not.
It's back bum. Slots in like that. Now,
It goes in the back bottom.
I believe that's his on button.
No, it's not.
Long nails come in easy. And then we turn this on and it should link up. Whoa!
I think it works.
And I think when we just let go and see what happens.
Yes!
But mate, I'm a bit concerned that there's no light on here.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Ah!
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Just show me.
It's properly flying. Oh wow.
Can I try? Now I bought Mommy's car.
But these batteries aren't working.
Dogs are going crazy.
The dogs are going after it.
I want the car.
Okay, I don't...
If it drops, the dogs are gonna chew it.
Guys, this battery's not working. This
Scotty, come here.
Oh my gosh, the dogs are gonna chew it to pieces.
So
This is like their favorite pastime.
So Rachel has just got these batteries and I don't think they're charged enough.
They love chasing birds.
Oh, here we go. It's worked.
It's like their dream. So guys, another use for the Go Bird is a dog toy. Oh gosh, Cat, Jackson, don't let them go. They are mad to eat it.
And it's great exercise also for the family. So what happened there, I don't know, it kind of went off on its own and the batteries weren't really working. The controller wasn't picking it up. But we'll try it again. And go. Whoa!
Can I fly it? Can I fly it? Can I fly it?
So,
Guys, give the whiz. Oh my gosh.
whoa! It's so cool. So that's him doing circles. And if we press up, he goes higher and higher and higher.
Look down.
So we'll bring him down a wee bit. So that's the circle. Let's press X and see what happens. Oh, he's wanting to go away. Oh, there, I can control it now. So come back to me.
How do you get it to go on its own?
I think he's still doing circles. Okay. So we're going to entrust Cash with the controller.
What?
We have no idea, but
So
it does. Whoa!
I wanted to go.
It does say that it's kid friendly. So here we go. All right, Cash.
No, wait.
You know what to do. You're flying it better than that, eh? Wow, it's going really high. Okay, bring her down a wee bit, Cash. So it's way off in the distance now. It's coming down. Oh! I'm going to try and follow with the camera. Whoa! It just hit the camera. Oh, you're hovering there.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Oh, no! Here, I'll take the dog shot.
Oh. Try and press some of the other buttons. Whoa! Are you trying to hit me, Jaxie? Whoa! Whoa!
Get it higher, higher. He just petered out. Oh, did you stop him and then restart him?
Do you know what you're doing, Cash?
You're just picking it up as you're going along.
Do you know what you're doing, man?
Yeah.
I'm going to look up controls here and we're going to come back with exactly what we're supposed to do with this.
Can I have a go?
Okay, so it's went up into the sky somewhere way up here. Can you even see it? Oh, mummy, master of disaster. So there you go, guys. Don't fly too high. Okay, so the cows are congregating over there. I reckon they know more than we do. I have a feeling it's there. Okay, my hunch that the cows were looking at it was wrong. This is not good. This is not good, people. So we can't find the bird. Okay.